Boom ba yeah. Boom ba yeah.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jama from JamkinDonuts.com. Today we will be doing testing video for new products from I Do Care. Yes, this is how it calls, I Do Care. Here's the two products from I Do Care, which you can get this in Ulta.com and at Mimibox.com. So, Blackhead Killer Nose Pack and Goodbye Blemish. I'm so excited to demo this for you guys, how it works, and share with my thoughts. I think also this will be very helpful and interesting for those of you, which I'm included as well, who has blackhead issues and breakouts, at least once a month. You know what I mean? If you're interested in, keep watching. Here's a Blackhead Killer Nose Pack by I Do Care as the 3-step blackhead removal, which is supposed to remove the sebum, blackheads, whiteheads, and minimize the pores. Here's me with no makeup. Finally, it's time to clean these pores. First, we're gonna do step 1, which is pore opening step. Thermal action nose pack opens pores while dissolving sebum, blackheads, whiteheads, and impurities. I'm applying this on a clean skin and waiting about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the sheet and gently wipe away any blackheads or sebums that may have surfaced from the pores. Step number 2. Pore cleansing step. Peel off nose strip extracts blackheads, whiteheads, and impurities. Before you apply, dampen the nose thoroughly with water and with the dry hands carefully place the sheet onto nose. Starting with the bridge of the nose, then pressing along the sides, and finally curving down the bridge of the nose. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes until completely dry. Now time has come, 15 minutes is gone. Now starting from the corners, we'll try to slowly remove the mask. Oh my gosh, you guys, I didn't expect that much results. Look at these blackheads and whiteheads in this mask. Wow, I was super shocked. Now here's the last step, it's a pore tightening step. This is cooling gel and nose pack will soothe and minimize appearance of the large pores and finish everything out. Meet my friend Goodbye Blemish from I Do Care. It's a spot clearing lemon tea tree liquid patch. As you can see, I'm having breakouts. It's a super fresh red big bumps, which is not complete yet. We'll try to zap this out. I'm gonna apply an even amount of product on trouble spot and allow to dry. It's gonna create me film to protect trouble skin from throughout the day or night. So you can leave this overnight or you can remove it like me after this dries out. It's gonna take about 15 minutes until it completely dries out, and then you need to slightly peel it off. When I peel it off, I noticed that my bleeding blemishes, it stopped bleeding. They're more drier and feels more flatter too, even as the redness is still there, but definitely flat, not the bump anymore, which means it definitely works. I'm pretty sure if I will apply more than 3 days, it's gonna disappear. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked my demo. Blackhead Killer Nose Pack retail price, it's $14. Goodbye Blemish, it's $15, and you can find this on Mimibox.com or Ulta.com. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!